everybody, so we got our January Boxycharm, and this is a little bit damaged. I don't know what the deal with that is, but we got our Boxycharm in the mail today, so we're gonna open it up and we're gonna talk about it. How's that? How's that? And then maybe, depending on what we got, we might do a look. So the card says Boxy and Chill. Interesting. Interesting. So we got a palette from Tarte. It's the Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3. I have had a couple of these and not had a whole lot of luck with them. Let me open this one up and see if... Ow! That was my nail. I think I've actually had this one. Yeah, so it's all shimmers. So it's all light shimmers. And right now I've been collecting some things to pass on to some friends, so that is going to go right into the friend box. So we won't be doing a look with that. And then we got this long-lasting lip from Ofra. Let's see. Just had a little lip balm on. Let's see what it looks like. It is actually one thing I can try on. I like it. Very comfortable when it first goes on. We'll see how it dries down. We'll see how it dries down. Okay. And then the next thing we have is the Briogeo Rosarco Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. And boy, do I forever need this. Yes. Then we have a brow pencil. It's called the Universal Brow Pencil. And it's from Billion Dollar Brows. Let's see what the... Oh, the tip looks pretty good. We'll check that out. We're always up for brow pencils. And then we have two masks from Tatcha. These are the Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. And I know from using them previously, they're fabulous. And I probably will put one of these on tonight. So yeah, so two masks, a lip, a palette, an eyebrow pencil, and a leave-in conditioner. So the eyebrow pencil is retail at $18. The Tatcha masks, 2-pack, it's $24. The Tarte palette is $36. The Ofra lipstick is $20, and the leave-in conditioning spray is $12. So, yeah, pretty good package. That is 1842, 54, 74, 110. This is the total value of the box this month. 110 bucks. Worth this right here alone. These are fabulous. And I'm actually liking this is drying down pretty good. Not transferring yet. So those two things. And we'll check this out and see this hair conditioner. See how that goes. Sorry. Trying to look out the window, look at the viewfinder, and look at the camera at the same time. It's not working. Alright, so yeah, so that's my Boxycharm for the month of January. I am on the list to get the Boxy Luxe box, whatever that thing's called. Gina made me do it. I'm gonna blame it on Gina. My hair is a mess. Y'all should just say brush your hair. Hey mama, brush that hair. The problem is it's getting long. I know you guys enjoy me singing so much. I'll be back next time to do the same. Probably not, because I won't remember what I did. Leave your hair alone. You don't know what you're doing. Jesse, I'm coming to see you, babe. This weekend, whether you know it or not. Alright, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.